For the past 8 years, Dynex Semiconductor, based in Lincoln, England, and CRRC Corporation Limited has been building a strong partnership in the traction industry. CRRC are now the largest railway rolling stock producer in the world, providing locomotives, EMU and metro systems which are used in a growing number of countries around the world. Building on this wealth of experience, Dynex has invested in a new facility to provide specific support for the railways industry in Europe. Transportation systems are the lifeblood of modern cities, and people have come to rely on transit systems for their daily travel. The most important aspects of the service are that trains run safely and timetables are met. Railway companies have to deal with old technology obsolescence, particularly with the power electronic systems, and the train availability has to be balanced with maintenance requirements to maximize service delivery. Companies are eventually faced with the choice to fund large investment in purchasing new locomotives or continue to manage growing maintenance problems. As rail fleets surpass their optimum life cycle, companies begin to experience increased operational costs. A growing number of operators are looking for options to upgrade the old system rather than replacing them through excessive investment in new locomotives. The Dynex Rail Innovation Unit is able to offer railway companies an innovative solution that will extend fleet life cycle and reduce maintenance costs. The team at Dynex are providing solutions to avoid component obsolescence by judicious replacement of key systems, as well as implementing superior technology for predictive maintenance to allow interventions before breakdowns occur. Part of the upgrade offered by Dynex is the replacement of the power electronics as a modular changeout. Modular replacement of smaller subcomponents was always an option to the rail industry. However, Dynex have the unique ability to upgrade to the latest technology and replace the whole package, which can improve reliability and efficiency. Collaborating successfully with a number of European companies, the most recent project Dynex have conducted is with Portuguese railway operator Fertagus. Joining forces, they have embraced the latest technology and extended the lifetime of the Lisbon rail fleet and implemented improvements to reduce failures in the electronics. Located in Lisbon and part of the major transport operator in Portugal, Grupo Barraqueiro, Fertagus is a major rail operator in the capital and the largest city of Portugal. With an urban population of around 3 million people, it is one of the most populous urban areas in the European Union. A reliable commuter train service is essential for Lisbon's economic and social activities. In order to extend the life cycle and reduce maintenance costs of the Fertagus fleet, the project was conducted in 3 stages. First stage of improvement, system analysis and failure prediction. The team at Fertagus embarked upon a project with Dynex to firstly identify quick fixes. This was achieved through analysis that displayed the prevalent failure modes and helped predict failures. The first action was to replace old components with more modern and readily available components. The work completed was effective, but as large sections of old technology electronics still remained, Dynex continued with further upgrade stages and offering a complete solution. Second stage of improvement, IGBT modules and drives. The next activity removed larger parts of the traction drive systems and replaced them with new systems which utilize the latest IGBT technology and drivers to maximize the power efficiency and high voltage perturbation ride-through capability for the entire system. It is estimated that replacing the 30-year-old technology with new components can yield a major reduction in power consumption. Third stage of improvement, monitoring systems. With the new electronics in place, it is now much easier to add monitoring systems which keep a constant surveillance on the condition of these systems. With real-time data being communicated about the performance of the electronic subsystems and components, it is possible with smart data mining algorithms to see patterns in the performance data, which will enable the maintenance teams to assess the potential for component failure before it happens. This enables repair before failure, and in turn will lead to increased availability and increased kilometers between interventions. As data continues to be collected and the reliability improves, it will provide an important source of information for the manufacturers of passenger trains and locomotives such as CRRC, making train services more predictable and reliable in the future.
This partnership with Dynex, it's very important for us, and I think also for Dynex, because it will allow us to keep running, to keep maintaining the fleet availability, and controlling the costs with a new and developed technology.
Dynex Semiconductor Railway's Innovation Unit and Fertagus in Lisbon. A demonstration of what can be achieved.